So, hi, dear Capricorn. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a no contact journal of reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the end of May 2026. Keep in mind the roles can be reversed also, and the action can be from your side also. And if it is not resonating, definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly put yourself into the reading, okay? Sometimes the messages are not for you. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you, Five of Swords, Five of Cups, and the Three of Wands in reverse. Bottom of the deck is the Two of Cups. This person still have lots of deep-rooted feelings for you. Deep inside, this person is still in love with you. They still consider you as one of their soulmates. They are still in this energy of feeling your energies around them a lot of the times. If suddenly out of the blue you remember, you start missing them, they are missing you too actually. It's like telepathically they are sending messages and love and all that. But when it comes to the conscious level, they're suffering. They're suffering, they are mentally trapped, they're emotionally trapped, they're not able to move on from the situation. No matter how hard this person is trying to move forward in their life, they are not able to. They are stuck on you, they are stuck on this situation. It's painful, it's giving them a lot of lessons. It's giving them a lot of energy of understanding, like their own patterns, their own side, their own energies that doesn't work in their love and relationship area. So basically right now they are suffering a lot and they're not able to move on because they still have feelings and they still have love for you, deep rooted love for you, and they're not able to shake that love off, and they're trying their best to do that. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cappies? I pity this person. Emotionally stuck, mentally stuck, emotionally stuck, not able to move on. The Fool card, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Hermit. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Swords. This person wants to have deep rooted healing. So they are not going to repeat the same kind of pattern, same kind of shitty things, same kind of negativity again and again and again in their life, that the way they have done till this point of their life. So they want to look into themselves. They want to understand their patterns, their energies, their thoughts, and the things that goes against them, the things that goes with them, so that they will be able to move forward in their life and they can have a brand new beginning in the coming future with someone who is worthy of having a good future with them. Now, I don't think so. This person is dying to have a reconciliation with you. For some weird reason, this person is thinking this, even if this is the beautiful, most beautiful connection in this on this planet Earth, they can't be with you. You know the reason better than me. So they want to have a breakthrough where they are going to start or restart a brand new chapter in their life with a lot of stability, with a lot of groundedness, and a lot of thinking about how it is going to be from this point onwards, because they don't want to repeat the same kind of mistakes again ever in this lifetime in their love and relationship area. So they want to make sure that the person, the energy that they are going to go ahead with, them and the person that they're going to be with, is the right match for each other, and they have learned a lot of lessons, and now they are not going to repeat the same kind of mistakes. These are the intentions that they have regarding their love and relationship area. I don't think so they have this energy of wanting to be with you only because they know it's not possible for some reason, but they're planning to move forward with a new person, new energy, when they will be able to do that. So they are manifesting that strength and the courage to have this breakthrough to move forward. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, Cappies, if any, by the end of this month, May 2026. So I have the Page of Wands, the Devil, and the Ace of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the King of Cups. Okay, so there are chances, Capricorn, that this person might connect with you, especially when they are going to be emotionally overwhelmed or emotionally all over the place. Or you can say it can be a drunk call or drunk message or drunk text. Okay, it's like when they are not going to feel that they are happy and they are not aligned with their friends or family members, they're going to feel a lot of love, a lot of love. They're going to miss the love that you guys share with each other, the bond, the friendship that you guys shared with each other. So that is going to make them feel like they should talk to you, and they should remove the ego. They should not talk, they should not let the ego come in between you and their feelings. So there are good chances that they might end up contacting you, connecting with you in a very genuine, heartfelt kind of a way. And but I don't think so they are going to be emotionally very stable, although the energies from inside is like they're emotionally very stable from inside, but the way they are going to throw it out or vent it out might not seem like they're emotionally well, maintained, and they are okay. So you can expect some kind of message call communication while they are going to be emotionally very overwhelmed, and they are going to say all the emotional things to you. Okay. So somebody is trying to leave their ego behind and connect with you in an emotional level. Oh, this is my t-shirt, by the way. You people. Thank you. Let's see what is the guidance for you guys for this thing. Cappies. So I have the Knight of Pentacles, the Star card, and the Two of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Death and Rebirth. Okay, this is a transformation phase of your life. This is a transformative phase of your life, you can say. And it is going to take time to settle down. The energies are going to take time to settle down. Lately, lately in the sense from last 1 or 2 years, everything is might be falling apart. Everything is making you feel like your life is, it sucks. Your relationship sucks. Your connection sucks. Your personal life sucks. It's because there is major transformation happening from last 1 or 2 years, and you guys might be suffering because you guys are continuously resisting the changes that this transformation is bringing in your life. So take it like a slow and steady. Take life one day at a time, and try to remain optimistic and positive to the idea whatever is coming in a day, instead of thinking too much about the future, instead of continuously living in the past, or oscillating your energies continuously between past and future, past and future, past and future. Try to be in the present moment as much as you can. Don't be a pendulum, Capricorn, because the pendulum, it it keeps on oscillating, like from there extreme, that extreme to that extreme, especially if it's triggered, right? If it is at peace, it's in the present moment, it's in the center, right? Wow, that's a really good example. Wow, it came out of nowhere. But anyways, don't be like the pendulum. You guys have to figure out the center, where the center here is you being in the present moment, right? So try not to resist the changes that your transformation is bringing on the table, and the changes might be very, very subtle, but you are resisting. Subtle in the sense that those people that you used to align with are not aligning with you anymore, or the vice versa, and you're not feeling the vibe anymore. So don't go against it. Try to detach slowly but surely. That was an example. It can be actually multiple things, right? So that's the guidance that I'm getting for you guys. Let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Cappies. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be, okay? And I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts. 1, 2. Okay, now. Okay, so the answer to your question is get more information. Get more information. Yes, this card can function not just as a general suggestion that more information will help guide your decisions, but also as a warning that people or situations might not be as they initially seem. Seek to learn more about your present circumstances. That will help you a lot. Okay. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.